What's going on, people? Welcome to GFX Kapture. Today is a Fast Friday and we're going to be looking at how to change a color footage into a black and white footage in Premiere Pro. So without further ado, let's have a look. So create a new project, drag your footage into the timeline to make a sequence. Go to the effects panel and search for black and white. Remember, and is ampersand, it's not A and D. So just type black ampersand white. Just remember, if you type A and D, it's not going to work, so you're not going to find it. Just make sure it's black ampersand white. Or you can find it under video effects, image control, and black and white. Now simply drag and drop the effect on your footage, and boom, it is done. That's all you need. Now you can make further changes into it, like by going into the effect controls and putting a mask around it, so you can mask a particular part of your video or particular object in your video. So in this case, if we just drag and drop the rectangle onto this car, basically we are masking this and we're making that particular item as a black and white. The rest is color. So, as I said, it's very simple. Simply drag and drop the effect on your footage in your timeline, and that's it. When you play it, it's all done. So I hope this was useful for you. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.